What up, guys? Remix here. And guys, as you can hear the game going on, the Penguins, we played yesterday. We won game number 2 of Eastern Conference. So after this, we legit go to the Stanley Cup, which is the final. You know. Oh snap! All right, guys. So you know, wearing my Remix shirt. But yeah. So guys, today's gonna be a chill day. I'm not gonna do much today. So yeah, guys, so today I'm gonna try to go out and at least sand it down, the bumpers. Just search it if you guys want that part. Let me turn it down a little. So if you guys want that part, just search up. I bought it from eBay. I'll try to link the part. But it's called bumper spoiler, which goes on the bottom of the bumper. It's like actual Mitsubishi paint. And the color code for mine is S18, which you can find it on your underneath your hood. It's gonna tell you guys, but my paint color to match it is S18. Is sand metallic beige, which is that paint. So I'm gonna color it the same color as the original color. So it's gonna be beige. It's not gonna be black. And after that, of course, the new lip. Wash it. Wash the engine bay, and install it. Ooh, I already saw this game, and I'm like acting like I'm watching. Okay, but I'm gonna install the car. Hopefully by the end of this month, and hopefully by the first week of next month, I'm already gonna have my new Mitsubishi manual transmission, and I want a GT. And my ideal one for me, I want it with the exact same thing. I want a navigation system, sound system, sunroof, leather seats, you know, pretty much whatever. And of course, manual transmission. And then the fun begins, because I'm gonna start working on the engine. Yes, engine mods for manual transmission. Let's go, Burn Rex. Let's go. Alright guys, we made it outside. We got my water and my protein shake. And then here's the part. Here we've got the WRX. Beautiful WRX. Pearl white. That joint shines in the freaking light. I guess we're here. Listen to some music. Look at this pearl white, y'all. Jeez. Look at the pearl white. Look. See how it shines? And then carbon fiber. Oh, it's not carbon fiber. The bag is carbon fiber. Let's take out the chair we got right here. Yeah, like I was saying, the thing I'm gonna sand, I'm gonna paint match it so I can match that color, like the beige color right now. Alright guys, so I'm gonna leave you guys here listening to some Justin Bieber. We got the test, we got the sandpaper. We wanna get it started. I already got the little bumper thingy wet. Just time to wet sand it, and yeah. Alright guys, so we out here. I don't know if you can see. I don't know if y'all can see me well or hear me well. Here we got sandpaper, and here we got the product. And I also got my water bottle. I also got my gallon here so I can wet it too. Okay, so before we do anything else, I brought the glue gun to remove the white plastic stuff off. Completely forgot about it. Here we go. Of course, sponsored by Chipotle. Not really, but alright. Sweet sister, just me. One
then you wait till the next owner decides to lower the car.
Alright guys, so pretty much finished today. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. This is the new Justin Bieber with Daddy Yankee and the other guy. I'm sure you guys know it. Putting the windows up. I'm sure you guys know the song with Justin Bieber in it. Okay, before I get copyrighted, let's get out of here. Alright, everything's good. So guys, we got everything good. We're about to head. Because we got here the WRX. If you guys have any questions about the WRX, let me know. Or if you guys want to see any installs, definitely getting a diffuser. I'm gonna get a carbon fiber diffuser on it, and it's gonna look dope. Look at the pearl white. Look how it shines. Well, right now here it's dirty. You got some little spider in it. Look at the pearl white. It's got the sunroof, of course. It's got the leather seats, GPS, everything. Pearl white. It looks like matte white, honestly. And then the headlights. And here's my my color. I like my color. It's dope. But I am gonna try to look for a like a gray, like a grayish Lancer. Hopefully. I don't want to get black because black's not gonna look that good. I mean, in my opinion, but I mean, if y'all like black, I mean, it's up to y'all. But other than that, guys, thank you guys so much for watching the video, guys. If you guys want to see any installs on this Lancer before I sell it, let me know. But engine mods are coming for the new one. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching the video. You can see the sand, they got all sanded right here. They're just waiting for paint, and yeah. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching the video. As always, have a good one.